In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a color image into black and white in GIMP. Let's get started. Transforming a color image into black and white in GIMP offers a spectrum of creative possibilities, and the software provides various methods to achieve this conversion. One straightforward approach involves desaturation, wherein you can seamlessly remove the color information from your image. Once you've opened your image in GIMP, go to the menu bar, go to Colors, then select Desaturate. This action prompts a dialog box offering desaturation methods, with luminosity often preserving the image's brightness. Once you choose a method, further adjustments may be available to fine-tune the black and white effect to your liking. Another alternative method is by using the channel mixer. Go to the menu bar, go to Colors, Components, then choose Channel Mixer. Here, you can select monochrome and manipulate the red, green, and blue sliders to control the grayscale mix, ensuring a sum total of 100%. This method provides a nuanced control over how much each color channel contributes to the black and white composition. For a quick and straightforward conversion, changing the image to grayscale is another option. Simply go to the menu bar, Image, Mode, Grayscale, and click Convert. This method simplifies the color information, leaving you with a grayscale representation of the original image. For those seeking a more hands-on and granular approach, you can use the Decompose feature. Simply go to the menu bar, Colors, Components, then select Decompose. Now, choose the RGB as the decomposition method. This breaks down the image into its red, green, and blue color channels. By selectively hiding or deleting the color channels in the Layers dialog, you can retain control over how each color contributes to the final grayscale image. After the adjustments, you can now convert the image back to RGB mode if necessary. Now, you can just experiment with these methods to find the one that best suits your preferences and the characteristics of your image. Each method also offers different levels of control and can result to unique black and white conversions. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.